Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove a sound from video on CapCut. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! So what if you want to edit a video on CapCut, but before that you want to remove the original audio from the video that you want to edit? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our CapCut. Now you can just go to new video to edit. You can select on the video that you want to remove the sound you want to edit. For the example, I will try with this video. I will try with this video. You can select on the video. We can still hear
Udah diaman mah.
We are number one.
the original sound from the video right before we remove it. To remove the original audio, we can just select in here, mute clip, beside this clip, or you can just select on the video like this, and find there is an option volume. You can select on that. Now you can just adjust the volume to left. So now you have completely removed the audio from the video. It's very simple, right? Now you can replace the audio with the maybe songs or music that you like. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove audio from a video on CapCut. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.